Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto from Binance US to Coinbase step by step. Open Binance US and sign in, go to Wallet, choose the crypto you want to move, tap Withdraw, paste your Coinbase deposit address, select the correct network, enter the amount, confirm security checks, submit the transfer, then monitor transaction ID until Coinbase shows the funds. Keep small test transfers under $15 initially to avoid network mistakes. Locate the proper Coinbase deposit address by opening Coinbase and selecting Receive for the exact crypto and network. Always confirm that the blockchain network on Binance US matches Coinbase before pasting. Copy the address and verify the first and last characters match to avoid loss. If unsure, send a very small test amount, confirm it arrives, then proceed with your full transfer confidently once the test completes and confirmations are visible. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more simple crypto walkthroughs. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof meal prep containers that make life easier between tasks and trades, and they fit neatly in a laptop bag. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. From Binance US, paste the Coinbase deposit address into the withdraw form, confirm the correct network, and enter your amount. Complete any security prompts like 2FA and email authorization to submit the withdrawal. Save the transaction ID and use it to track progress on a block explorer if needed. Once the required confirmations complete, Coinbase will credit your account, and you can reconcile balances and records for taxes or portfolio management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.